because my colleague who stays in Cottbus, he actually didn't have to show.
If I stay outside Germany for 6 months and more than that, my PR gets cancelled. Is that true? In this video, we will walk you through 10 points. Make sure that you watch the video till the end. Alright guys, so welcome back once again. If you're somebody new to my channel, my name is Nikhilesh. I'm here with my friend who has a permanent residentship here in Germany. You recently got that, right?
Yeah, 2 months back.
How does it feel?
Well, I feel good. I mean,
So in German, it's called as Niederlassungserlaubnis. और इंग्लिश में हम PR कहते हैं and you got your PR through working, right? Like for many years, because PR के बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. Anyway, before we go ahead, why don't you give us your professional overview of who you are, what have you done so far?
So I'm basically a chemical engineer, and then I did my master's in lightweight materials, and then I started working, and I have been working for now 3 years in the same lightweight composites field, and
And how long did you work to apply for PR?
right after I completed my master thesis, my visa was expiring, so I went for extending, but I already had the job offer, and salary limit was okay for me to apply for a blue card. So, and after 21 months of holding a blue card, I applied for PR, and then within 1 year after 1 year I got my PR.
I think in cities like Berlin, because they have so much people applying at the same time, the process just to even get an appointment to submit the document is taking so long, right?
Yeah.
How long did that take you?
Actually, it's not just for the appointment. There is like long list of documents that you have to get. Like for example, clean criminal record or so, and then you have to also apply for that. You have to get this different kinds of appointments from the city registration office. So it's a whole lot process. But I guess I took 1 month to collect everything. But I was not in a hurry. I was doing like in my own pace. Yeah.
Okay. If you are somebody who is planning to come on an opportunity card to Germany, look for a job, and eventually at some point you would want to apply for PR, just for you guys, PR, the shortest form, the fastest you can get to PR is within 21 months. But the catch is you need to have B1 certificate in Germany.
Yes.
Try to get a job which falls in the category of blue card. That means your industry falls in the shortage skill list, and secondly, you're getting paid enough that your profession then is getting upgraded into blue card. So there is an entire list which you can check from Google or even on Nikshala, where we have put like what industries are there which fall in blue card. And the biggest benefit of having a blue card is it's a faster route to apply for PR, right?
Yeah.
So in her case, she graduated from Germany, she started working, and once she completed her 21 months, in those 21 months you have to pay continuously taxes and make the contributions to the system, and that's how you then are eligible for PR,
right? And also like I started a bit earlier than before my 21 months gets over. At the 20th I started collecting my documents and then apply for it. So.
From here on in this video, we will walk you through 10 points. Make sure that you watch the video till the end.
First would be the eligibility. Like you have to stay enough, around 5 years in Germany. That's the first eligibility criteria. Then would be next a stable income, as we already talked. Then valid rental agreement, and also health insurance is also very important. Then language skills, as he said, B1 level. So with B1, I think it's for 21 months, and for A1 or A2, it's 33 months.
A1.
A1.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you don't want to go through the process of learning language and get to B1 level, then the process gets a little prolonged. That's until 33 months.
Yeah.
But you still need at least A1 certificate when you're applying for PR.
Right. So after that, the pension contribution. So you should have like a proof of this contribution that you have made to the German pension system, at least for like 60 months. Then we have, as we already spoke, the clean criminal report, also known as Führungszeugnis. And then we have the integration course. So for me, I showed my master's degree certificate and also my language certificate. So, and yes, I had to take an exam that's called Lebens in Deutschland, also similar to Einbürger test, that is the citizenship test. And I had to again book appointment for the test center, prepare all these questions, and then pass the exam. And then that has to be shown, but there is a criteria, like not all immigration office requires that. So for my city they wanted it, and that's why I had to do it.
You applied in Berlin, right?
I applied in Brandenburg.
Ah, okay.
So yeah.
Yeah, okay. So the state around Berlin.
Yeah, correct. So and then then you collect all these documents, then go submit it to the immigration office wherever you stay, and then you wait for their decision.
Right. So for you, it took one entire year?
Yes, like for me actually, as I said, like I applied earlier, so they also didn't hurry, I guess. And besides, one important point was I thought I could pass it without showing the citizenship test, because my colleague who stays in Cottbus, he actually didn't have to show. So, but I was like, but then they were like, I tried to convince them, no. But then I had to do it. So to get an appointment in the test center for this test, it took another few months. Then I got then exam. Then after giving the exam, I had in 4 weeks I got the result, like the certificate. And when I sent it, they were, yeah.
So now that you have a PR, you can do in and out of Germany as many times as you want. Are you like, is there a rule? I'm not sure. Like, clarify this to a lot of people. They have this doubt. If I stay outside Germany for 6 months and more than that, my PR gets cancelled. Is that true?
Yeah, that's what I have read it too.
You're not sure?
I'm not sure.
Or you're not planning to leave Germany?
Yeah,
for
not
that
for
long?
6 months, continuously. Like, yeah.
So when it comes to, when you look at the entire process, right, what takes the most amount of time?
People at the immigration office, to review all this process or the documents you submitted, that took like a year. Yeah.
What was their behavior when you were in their office, right, in the immigration
Yeah.
office, submitting the documents? What happened that day?
So I actually made proper organized sets of 2 documents with copies and original, and then I showed them and I gave it to them. They just check if I have all the that is listed in the checklist, and then they just took it, and then they said, okay, we'll get back to you. Yeah.
Did they not ask you any question if you speak German, not German?
In
or
my
not?
immigration office, no.
You just
Normal.
took the document and they were like, okay.
Yeah,
go.
normal. They checked it, and I was already talking in German, so I guess, they already.
If you want to know the checklist, what all documents are required, I've written a blog post on chancenkara.in website. You can go and read them from top to bottom if you need something written literature. If you have made it till here, please make sure that you check the description of this video. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.